Díobh ar maidin gachtainna, chun atá sibh, another gorgeous day. So this is your Irish word today. Okay, so be a cainte an seomra leapa. Okay, the bedroom an seomra leapa. So we have here various vocabulary that we would have done in our story last week, and here we have in the red positions. Okay, so the questions below are asking you where various bits and pieces are. Okay, so cá bhfuil an pilúr, where is the pillow? Okay, cá bhfuil na bróga, where are the shoes? Cá bhfuil an cumáin, where is the hurley? Okay, and we can see all the different objects there. Okay, there's our pilúr, there is our cumáin, okay, there are the bróga, na bróga. Okay, so as always, I'm going to give a little gap after I say something for you to repeat back. Okay, so we'll go through the vocabulary. First, we'll go through the words in black, so the nouns, the objects. Okay, pilúr, bráilín, blancéad, quilt, tucht. Okay, and we can see some other objects around the room that don't have anything written for them, but that we should know. So we have, okay, I'm going to give when I point at the object, I'm going to give a few seconds for you to try and guess what it is, and then I'll say it and give another gap afterwards. Okay, so okay, bróga, okay, lámhaní, hata, tíléna, pitsámi, ganzi, carawat, cumáin, clog. Okay, so in red we have air an labba, on the bed. Air an labba. Okay. Faoin labba. So faoin being under. Faoin labba. In aca leis an gcathaoir. Beside the chair. In aca leis an gcathaoir. Faoin gcathaoir. Under the chair. Air an gcathaoir. On the chair. Sa taracán. So in the locker, in the press. Sa taracán. Sa bhórdrús. In the wardrobe. Air an gofra, on the press. Air an gofra. Faoin gofra, under the press. Faoin gofra. And in aca leis an gofra, beside the press. Okay, so how you will answer this. So cá bhfuil an pilúr. Okay, tá an pilúr ar an labba. Tá an pilúr ar an labba. Let's see. Cá bhfuil an cumáin. Tá an cumán in aca leis an gofra. It's beside the press. Tá an cumán in aca leis an cofra. Let's see. Cá will an ganzi. I'll give a gap there for you to say that. Cá will an ganzi. Tá an ganzi sa vordrús. The jumper is in the wardrobe. Tá an ganzi sa vordrús. Okay? Sinné.